Hello guys, I'm Jimmy Joseph. Today I'm going to talking about complex data types. In SQL, the complex data types refers to the data types that are composed of multiple values or components. These types of data are also known as composite types or structured types. Complex data types in SQL include arrays, structured types, and user-defined types. Complex data types in SQL can be used to represent complex data structures and relationship between data elements. They are commonly used in database applications that deals with complex data such as scientific data, fictional, financial data, and engineering data. A transformation data types that represents multiple data values in a single column position. Data types such as array, map, and structure are complex data types. Array. An array is an ordered collection of elements. The elements can be of a primitive or complex data types. All elements in the array must be of the same data type. Map. A map is an unordered collection of key value pair elements. The key must be of a primitive data type. The value can be of a primitive or complex data type. Struct. A struct is a collection of elements of different data types. The elements can be primitive or complex data types. Struct as a schema that defines the structure of the data type. The data. Next I'm gonna talking about the array data type. An array is a zero base array indexed list. An array index indicates the position of the array element. For example, the array index 0 indicates the first element in an array. The transformation language includes operations to access array elements and functions to generate and process array data. An array can be uh, dimensional or multidimensional. A one dimension array is a linear array. A multidimensional array is an array of arrays. Array transformation types can have up to 5 dimensions. Format array data type. Next, gonna talking about the arguments, that is array data type, and the array is a name of the array or column or port, and the data type. Data type of the elements in an array. The elements can be primitive data types or complex data type. All elements in the array must be of the same data type. Dimension of the array represents a subscript. A single subscript represents a one-dimensional array. Two subscripts represents two-dimensional array. Elements in each dimensions are of the same data type. This is the array data type. That is, we are gonna create a table that's named is books, and the column names is book ID, title, author, and genres. And we are inserting some values to that columns. That is one is a book ID, and to kill a mockingbird. That's the title of the book. And the Harper Lee is the author, and its genre is fiction or classics. That's the genre. And we can see the table with the help of this query, that is select star from books. Then we can see the column that we are uh, created. Okay, next is a map data type. That's another complex data type, that is map data type. A map is a collection of value pairs where each key is unique and associated with a value. Map are useful for uh, sorting and accessing data in a flexible and efficient manner, particularly when the data consists of a large number of key value pairs. And this is the format of a map. Uh, The following table describes the arguments for the data type. That's a map. Map is the name of the map or column of the port or the primitive type. The primitive type is a data type of the key in a map element. The key must be of a primitive data type. The next is a data type. Data type is a value in a map element. The value can be of a primitive or complex data type. And the map is a collection of key value pairs. where each key is unique and associated with a value. Maps are useful for storing and accessing data in a flexible and efficient manner, particularly when the data consists of a large number of key value pairs. In SQL, map can be implemented as complex data types using either the JSON or the XML data type. Here is an example of implementing a map using JSON in SQL. And this is the code. Firstly, we are creating a table. Create table. Table name is my table, and we are putting int primary key and a data JSON, and we are inserting values to that ID. That's this, and we are next is it's another example, and this and here we can see the created table. And thank you.